Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Ayansh tutorials. So my name is Rajesh Singh and today we are going to cover the summary about chapter 9 of the class 10 English textbook. First flight consists of approach Madam Rides the Bus written by Valikanan. This video is very informative or useful for the students of class 10. So watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. Let's start. Madam Rides the Bus is a sensitive story of an 8-year-old Tamil girl, Valiyammai. Valiyammai or Bali was very curious to explore the outside world. She was alone and so her favorite pastime was to stand on the doorway of her house and look all that was going to happen on the street outside. She would see people get on and off the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. The bus that was filled with a new set of passengers filled her with a sense of unending joy. She had a strong urge to take a bus ride to explore the adventurous bus journey. So, she began to get information about the bus timings by listening to the conversations of the passengers taking the bus ride. Soon, she learned that the bus journey from her village to the nearest town was about 6 miles. The bus fare cost 30 paise for a one-way ride. So Bali started saving money to take a ride on the bus. Bali planned to take the travel in the bus during the afternoon when her mother would sleep. She stood on the roadside waiting for the bus. As the bus arrived, she told the conductor she would want to go to town. The conductor was a jovial person and referred to her as Madam and told her to hop into the bus and take her seat. She got into her bus quickly and noticed that the bus was painted in green and white color stripes and looked brand new. The bus seats were luxurious and ride was comfortable. During her journey, Bali enjoyed looking at the greenery outside and scenic natural beauty from the bus. She was thoroughly enjoying her bus ride and was amused when she saw a young cow that ran wildly in front of the bus and crossed the road. The driver blew the shrill horn as the cow crossed the road. This was a fascinating experience for Bali as she realized her dream of traveling in a bus had finally come true. In this way, Bali was enjoying her trip, and as Bali enjoyed watching the beautiful landscape outside, the bus started getting empty as the passenger got down in their respective stops. Soon the conductor asked her if she would like to roam about the stores in the town, but she told him that she had limited money which she needed to take the return bus ride. The conductor casually smiled at her reply. Bali stayed on the bus and took a ticket from the conductor to return to her village. As the bus started again, she noticed a dead cow and realized that it was the same cow that ran wildly in front of her bus during her onward journey to the town. Looking at the sight of the bleeding cow made her very upset, and she understood the meaning of life and death from this incident. Soon the bus dropped her at the bus stop near her home and she returned home just on time. Thus, no one in her family knew about her adventurous bus trip that she had taken all by herself without their knowledge. With this, I would like to end this session, and I look forward to see you all in my next video. Thank you.